Alright, this is my bike check. I'll start in the front with ODI bar ends, ODI super soft grips, Shadow Voltus bars in a 9.5 rise, the Animal Jump Off Remix stem with an Animal integrated headset, the S&M Grand Slam XLT forks with a Subra Chippewa rim and a Subra hub, the Shadow Overtaker tire, and a Shadow bottom bracket, the Fit 19 cranks with Shadow Ravager pedals, the Odyssey MDS sprocket with a KMC black and white chain, a BSD slinger seat, the Shadow seat post, Sunday seat clamp, United swerve tire, and a Odyssey hazard light rim laced to an Odyssey V3 hub, and of course the Sunday third wave frame. Alright, thanks for watching.